Hi guys, welcome to part 10 I think it is now. So at the moment I'm trying to make sure this is level because as I said in previous videos, I didn't quite get the leveling right on these sleepers. So the unique thing about sleepers is you can always sand them down. So we've got our capping piece of wood here, as I showed you earlier on in the earlier part. We're just trying to make sure it sits level by sanding it down. So if I do that, it seems alright at that end, but at this end it's rocking a bit. So we need to make sure this is level as possible, so we keep sanding down as much as we can, but there is a bit of a gap. So if I just show you guys, so I'll just bring you down to my level. You can see there's a slight gap there, bit of a gap there as you can see. Move you over here and you can see under there we've got a slight gap there. So the idea is to try and sand this down to make sure it's flat, because I'm sanding down at the moment and we are getting down to some of the screws, but if you countersink enough room, it means you've got a lot of play for actually sanding down. So I just wanted to show you that point where it's quite important. Right, we've just done our sanding down on the tops and we've rounded the edges just so when we put our liner on there's no sharp edges. So we're about to put on a new coating of wood preserver where we sanded it down, and I just wanted to show you where we're at. Welcome to another video. So I've got these L-shaped brackets we're going to be putting in the corner here. Hopefully it is quite square. Got some screws to go with it, providing I don't drop them all. And I need to go and get a battery for this, don't I? We're just going to start screwing these in basically. Right guys, I just want to show you the L brackets and the flat brackets I've put in, just to give this structure a bit more strength. Remember there's probably 23 coach bolts, actually times that by 2, so about 50 coach bolts that are 250mm running all the way through, as you can see from the tops here. So we put our L brackets in, just to show you closer up what they look like. We've got some flat brackets put in there, another one down here, more L brackets, move over here, more L brackets. So we've done basically 4 for each level, another flat bracket and more L brackets. So that's where we're at the moment. Pond obviously is looking good, ready for our liner. I just need some pipe work to turn up, but just to remind you, we've got one outlet to take water from the skimmer, one to push from the internal pump. We're going to use an internal pump in here, not an external pump, to push water out, and then obviously we have 2 returns there, one there and one there. So I just wanted to give you a bit of an overview from the inside of the pond, see what it looks like. So you can see where we're at the moment with this stage, and hopefully this will be informative for you guys